In the world of business, we're always looking for ways to improve. We want to be more efficient, more productive, and more profitable. But sometimes problems get in the way. These problems can be big or small, simple or complex. And if we don't address them properly, they can have a serious impact on our bottom line. That's where root cause analysis, or RCA, comes in. RCA is a problem-solving method that helps us identify the underlying causes of problems. It's about digging deeper, asking why multiple times, until we get to the root of the issue. Think of it like this. If you have a leaky faucet, you could just keep mopping up the water, or you could fix the leak at its source. RCA is about fixing the leak, not just mopping up the water. By understanding the root cause of a problem, we can develop effective solutions that prevent it from happening again. There are several techniques we can use in RCA, such as the 5 whys, fishbone diagram, and fault tree analysis. Each tool provides a unique approach to systematically breaking down the problem and tracing it back to its origin. We can improve our processes, make better decisions, and ultimately achieve better business outcomes. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to Priority Problem Solvers for more insights and strategies. Root cause. Analysis is a versatile tool that can be applied in a wide range of industries and situations. It's not just for manufacturing plants or hospitals, although those are certainly common applications. RCA can be used in any situation where you need to understand the underlying causes of a problem. In manufacturing, RCA might be used to investigate a production line defect. Why are so many products failing quality control? Is it a problem with the materials, the equipment, or the training of the operators? RCA can help you find out. In healthcare, RCA might be used to analyze a medical error. Why did a patient receive the wrong medication? Was it a communication breakdown, a labeling error, or a lack of proper procedures? RCA can help prevent similar errors from happening in the future. But RCA isn't just for big industries. It can be used in small businesses too. For example, let's say you own a restaurant and you're experiencing high employee turnover. RCA can help you identify the root cause, whether it's low pay, poor management, or lack of training opportunities. The bottom line is this: if you have a problem, RCA can help you solve it. Now that we understand where RCA can be used, let's talk about when it's appropriate to implement this problem-solving method. While RCA is a valuable tool, it's not necessary for every single problem that arises. It's most effective when dealing with recurring issues or critical failures that have significant consequences. Recurring problems are like broken records. They keep happening over and over again, despite your best efforts to fix them. This is a clear sign that something deeper is going on, and a band-aid solution simply won't cut it. RCA can help you break the cycle of recurring problems by identifying the root cause and implementing a permanent fix. Critical failures are another situation where RCA is essential. These are major incidents with serious consequences, such as safety hazards, financial losses, or damage to your company's reputation. In these cases, it's crucial to understand exactly what went wrong, so you can prevent similar incidents from happening in the future. For example, imagine a software company that releases a buggy update that causes data loss for thousands of customers. This is a critical failure that demands a thorough investigation using RCA. The key to effective RCA is thorough investigation and collaboration. Engaging different perspectives often reveals insights that might be missed when working alone. Once we pinpoint the root cause, we can develop targeted, lasting solutions that drive real improvement. We've covered where and when to use root cause analysis, but it's equally important to understand why this method is so valuable. Simply put, RCA helps us move beyond treating the symptoms of a problem and focus on addressing the underlying cause. This proactive approach yields numerous benefits, including preventing future problems, improving processes, saving time and money, and enhancing decision-making. One of the most significant advantages of RCA is its ability to prevent future problems. By identifying and addressing the root cause, we can break the cycle of recurring issues and create lasting solutions. This proactive approach saves time, money, and frustration in the long run. RCA also plays a crucial role in process improvement. By understanding the factors that contribute to inefficiencies, bottlenecks, or errors, we can streamline our operations, optimize resource allocation, and enhance overall productivity. Furthermore, RCA helps us save time and money. While it may seem counterintuitive to spend time investigating a problem rather than immediately implementing a quick fix, understanding the root cause ultimately leads to more effective and efficient solutions. This prevents wasted resources on temporary fixes that don't address the underlying issue. Finally, RCA enhances decision-making. By providing a deeper understanding of the factors influencing a problem, RCA equips us with the knowledge and insights needed to make informed decisions about process improvements, resource allocation, and risk management.